Alright, kind of picking on where we left off. I decided to, for the creative work, I'd finish out the profile, so I added some additional information here, like you can do, let's say, computer science. If I could spell, that'd be lovely. Social security, for security reasons, I'm not going to input mine. And then you can put your birth date. Say as you can see down here, computer science, a bunch of random numbers, my hometown, and then a birth date. Go in here and I can change it. Now it's 19. Go ahead and change this. Now it says Edmund there.